All right, I have here today a handheld steamer. This is a great kind of travel steamer. If you're going, for me, I work on cruise ships and my clothes are always usually super wrinkly when I've been traveling with them in a suitcase, and I need to be ready to make them look sharp and nice and tidy, and this is going to do that. So first off, yeah, you have the steamer that comes in the box, and you have a little water pour, so you know how much water to pour into the back of this, and there is some water already poured into it. You also have some different attachments, like this one right here for like upholstery, and also this one right here for like more delicate items, like maybe some silks, things like that, and you can attach that on. So you're gonna power this thing on until it's solid red. It does plug in. It's not battery powered, but that's also a good thing because it is very powerful, and it's going to get those wrinkles out quickly, so you're not spending a lot of time doing that, maybe possibly even ruining your shirt. So once you press this button right here, it's going to start the steaming process, and it's going to keep going until you press it to stop. And as you can see, there is some good steam action happening, and this is going to be great for travel, great for just at home. This is going to do it very quickly and efficiently, and you're going to love it. So if you don't have one of these, you should pick one up. Highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.